Hi, today we're going to talk about how to transition your skincare routine from summer to fall. Hi there, I'm Manuela Marcheggianni from Isomers Skincare, and I've been formulating and researching skincare for over 30 years in Toronto, Canada, part of Isomers Laboratories. And we study skin, we study aging, we study ingredients, and we formulate, and we do everything in-house. So we are vertically integrated, which gives us a really unique perspective on formulations and skincare and active ingredients and what you can and can't do with products. So we like to share our information and share and just talk about things that could probably empower you or educate or inform so we can actually make better decisions. One of the things we want to talk about today is about your skin changing seasons. When the seasons change, like right now from summer to fall, what happens to your skin? Well, what's happening in the environment? The environment is cooling down. So usually the weather is cooler, the air is a little drier, the temperature fluctuations, there's a little bit less sunlight. So there are things that you need to do or you could do to really optimize your skincare routine. So you'll probably notice that your skin, because you're probably not sweating as much, your skin is not as hot, so your skin becomes cooler, your skin becomes drier. So a few things to do with your skincare routine. One is you're going to cleanse, and you're going to cleanse your skin every day, and you're going to probably increase or want to increase your moisturization. So you're going to want to moisturize your skin more and exfoliate less. And especially exfoliation that is very harsh or scrub-like exfoliation. Maybe instead of doing every day, you want to go to every second or third day. So you're still getting the cleaning, but without that stripping and drying, because with fall air and fall weather comes drier air, therefore drier skin, because as the air dries out, it kind of takes the moisture out of your skin as well. And that's when you're going to start to see the dryness, the fine lines and wrinkles. So you want to increase your moisturizing. You want to increase the use of ceramides. That's a really good idea too, because that's going to help with the barrier function of your skin. You exfoliate less, okay? Still going to need to use sunscreen, okay? Because even though we've gone to the fall, the UV out there is still a potential danger to your skin. So keep using your sunscreen. Use the same amount of sunscreen. That's the smartest thing to do. Another thing is vitamin C. Probably a lot of us have incurred a lot of sun damage in the summer months, and so this is a really good time to continue with your vitamin C as an antioxidant to boost the efficacy of your vitamin C. So underneath, to boost the efficacy of your sunscreen. So use it before you put your sunscreen on. Also, it's going to help brighten and even out your skin tone. So if you have any kind of pigmentation issues or any kind of, sun damage that's superficial from the summer, the vitamin C is going to help out a lot with that. Another thing is your hands and the rest of your body. Hydrate, moisturize. Don't forget to utilize those kind of moisturization. So increase your moisturization. You're probably going to use creams more. You're probably also, I think it's really important in your diet. Just one of the things that I do myself is I start taking more vitamin D in the wintertime or in the fall, because you get less sunlight. You're not out, you're not getting that really good vitamin D, which we absolutely need. So I start taking vitamin D. That's just a personal favorite. So I hope you've enjoyed our little bit about how to transition your skin. Think about the environment and what's happening. And think about that if things are missing in the air, they're probably trying to take them out of your skin. I look forward to your comments and questions. Please like, subscribe, and share. I look forward to seeing you soon.